Hi, this is Tucker and Hannah, and we have the drinking bird as our experiment.
Yeah.
So, in this experiment, there's heat energy that forms into gravitational. It actually forms into evaporational energy because the water starts evaporating from somewhere, and then when it goes down, the water comes, and then it just gets dyed red.
And then there's gravitational, if she hasn't mentioned that yet, and there is motion.
The gravitational energy is because it's going up and it's also going down. And the motion energy is because the bird is moving back and forth. Thank you for watching.